Hey guys, welcome back to ROSALIO Geek Review. In today's review, we're gonna check a look Lego City construction bulldozers. So here we are, and there he is. And for Lego City, let's take a quick look at the packaging. So here is a Lego City and construction bulldozer is number 4+. And here is warning: please don't eat the box of the bad for you. And here's right there. Here, and I'll read it. Here's a read it. There's Lego City 60252. And at the top of the box, here's construction, and at the bottom box, here Lego City. And the back of the box, so here is the pieces. Here is a clip on here. And here's a hook, a hold of a concrete machine, and basically for the packaging. Alright, so here you have Lego City construction bulldozers. So here is construction to build this one. Alright, let's start this one. Alright, let's start right here. Alright, let's start right here. We can open. But first we need to clip right his feet and body, to clip this arm, to clip this head, and put his hat. And now we need to, or next page, the next page we need to put this piece on here, and this, and next piece, if you need, clip right there. So there you have the two pieces. Alright, next page. You take this one and that one. And that one. Alright, next page. You need to clip right here and there. And next page. They clip right there and clip here. To clip right there. Next page. We need to clip right there. Alright. You need to get two pieces to clip right there and clip right there. Alright, next page we need to get two holes. There you go. To the next page. Alright. You need to clip right there. And next one. Alright, to the next one, and clip right there, and clip right there. To the next page, you need to clip right there, and there. Alright, so then you need to clip right there, and clip over there. There you go. Next page. You need a bigger shovel to clip right there. So there you go. Alright. You need to clip right there. To clip there. So there you go. The next page. You need to clip right there. Right there, and clip right there. To the next page, you need to clip. I make this one so to push on the wheels. And you're there, and pull right on here. It's on a hole here and there. Alright. To the next page. You need to clip this one and that one. Alright, you need to lift it up feet and lift it up his arms, and you can open here and push right there. Alright, there you have finished this one. Alright, let's next. You need to get this one. You need to clip on here or there. and there, and there. Alright, let's twist around. Alright, let's twist around to clip right there. Next page. Alright. You need to clip right here to the next page. So there you need a wheels type right there. I need to type all right there. And you need to put that too. Alright, you need to put a clip right here as hard as you can. Alright, so there you have like this one. Alright. So you need to clip right there. So there you go. You need to clip right there. And also you need to clip 2 pieces like that one. So we finished this one. Alright. We finished this one. We finished basically a 4 for construction. Alright. Let's move this one piece away right there. Alright. Next one, the piece, and we need with the crane to crash a wall. Alright, let's get started. Alright, let's get started. The first you do, you need to clip on here to there and to there. Alright, there you go. Next page. So right there you need to grab this one to get this one to clip right there and there. Alright, to the next page you need to get this one, clip right there, and black to clip right there. Then the next page you need to get other this one, clip right there. Alright. To clip right there. Alright, next page. Alright, put it right there. Okay, good. Alright, you clip here and here. Alright, you need to get the tools. You can put it right there if you want. Alright, next page. You need to clip right there to here. Alright, you need to clip right there. So like that. You need to get the piece yellow square like that. And you need to get a ladder to clip like that one. Like that. Alright, you need to build this one. Next page. To clip this one and this one. Alright, you need to clip this one on the machine. Alright, you need to clip it there and there. Alright, you need to get pieces. You put type right there like that. And next page you need to clip right there and down. Alright, let's move up a camera. Oh, wait, scroll down. Alright, I'm gonna fix the camera up. So there you go. Need to clip right that one. Do it hard as you can. Alright, there you go. Near here. Alright, if you want this one, you need to get this one. You need to put the rock and together and to clip right there and to next there. Obtained. Alright, so there you have the chain, the rock, and that hook. If you want to put this hook on here, you can put it right on here. So there you go. Alright, next one, we need to clip or that one you need to clip like that. So there you have the wall. Alright. You need to clip right there. And you need to get clip right over there. Alright, we got the 2 pieces. Alright, let's get build with the concrete machine. Alright, first you need this one. You need to clip this one. That one. To the next page. Alright, to clip here. And there. Alright, to the next page. To the next page, you need to clip right there. Alright, and you need to clip right over there. And they have 2 wheels. You need to clip right there. And you need the plus with times to play here and the on piece. Alright, you need to to the next page. You need a wheel. You need a wheel to clip right there and there. Alright, you need that piece. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you need with this one. Alright, we finished for this. We finished for this one. The constructions for the breakers and for the builders, the diggers, machines. Alright, so there we finished now. So here he is. Here is a man right there. He was moved here and there. So you take off here. He was cooler than that machine. You check it top and bottom. When you do move right here. Alright. So here he has with that wagon. And you have to move like that too. Alright. Well, you need to type like that. Like that. And move. Alright. Let's check the crane one. So here he is. With the here cooler on top and bottom. Alright, so here he is. It has that hook. Like that. If you want to, you get twins like a Misty Island Rescue. Wee! And they twist around like that one. Move up the camera and like that one. And twist around. I missed the Island Rescue. Oh. Yeah, down camera. You need to take off that one. And you need to pull right here. And there you go. Alright. So we need a machine concrete. So we need head here. Oh, fall down. Maybe later. You need to check the top and bottom. And twist around. You need to put that concrete, like piece of concrete, and you gotta twist around, like get change, and pull like that one. Alright. So here's the next piece. So there you go. And here is the crane. So here is the piece right there. Here to build a piece right there. So like that. So here he goes. And it's like, and it has to say, oh, you. And that one, oh, woo. Well, there you go. Alright, let's do a new comparison. Here is the Transformers Studio Series, Forge Class, Mixmaster. And here is the Lego City, the construction. So let's take it off here. Is it just in there? Like that. if you want to take off this one, and that's alright. I mean, like that one. Like that. Alright. Can you put that away with that one? Alright. Alright, so there you have the Lego Silly Construction Bulldozers. Alright, you want to get a new episode? Please send this on Patreon or the PayPal. And next in down below, and subscribe if you want to buy with, like that one, the Construction Bulldozers on Williams and Flagstaff. Alright, if you want a new episode, thanks for watching, and new for next time. On your face. Oh. Alright, we need to head to the fall constructions. Is it the unfinished concrete? Not yet, mister.